Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add your phone to your OBS studio as a source so you can do whatever you want on your phone, like playing a game or explaining something, and then it will be streamed to OBS studio. So let's get started. So open your browser and search for SCRCPY. Now go to this first website, screen copy, display and control your Android device from GitHub. Open it, screen copy, we want to download it, scroll down and go to get the app and select Windows or Mac or Linux as you want. Now from here, from the official release, download the latest release, screen copy 64-bit for our Windows and click on it and it will start downloading. So everyone, after you download the file, you will find a folder like this, SCRCPY, screen copy, extract it, and now open this folder and inside here you will find this app, screencopy.exe. Open this and it should open your phone. Right now I have my phone connected to the PC using a USB cable. So right now if it doesn't work with you, you need to go to your settings. Go to your settings and scroll down until you find developer options. This developer options needs to be activated. How to activate it? You need to go about phone, software information and build number. Keep clicking on this build number until it says developer mode has already been enabled. And now go back and you'll find a new option called developer options. If you don't know how to get it, search on YouTube how to enable developer options and type your phone name and then scroll down here until you found USB debugging. This is what we need to enable this USB debugging and it should work. Once you connect your phone to the PC using a USB cable and open this screen copy, you will have your phone here. Now we have our phone. You can open a game, you can open anything, like for example a tutorial or anything, and it will be shown here in OBS Studio. Then you can add this to OBS Studio. You can add it as a window capture or as a game capture, but I suggest you add it as a game capture so it can work in the background, so you can minimize this. If you use it as a window capture, you can't minimize this, it won't appear here, it won't update. So add game capture, okay, specific window, let's select this one, screen copy. Now when I open it like this, you can also control your phone with the mouse like this, and you can do anything on your phone. Just scroll and do whatever you want and it will be updated and be shown in OBS Studios. You see, if I minimize this, it will still update without any problems. So everyone, that's it for this video. See you in the next one.